Cat 26 here, just to tips, repairs, and hobbies, and we've got Charlie Brown here to do and to put together. And let's start with his head here. Get some of that dirt off of there. We got 3 points here, and it looks like this is pinned. Okay, so we got 3 pins here, and we put glue in the pins, pinholes. And right there in the center, a little bit more. Put these pins in. This is to align him. Whoops. Pick the pin up. I hope you guys are doing well today. And we're going to put some glue on top of those pins. And wouldn't you know it, the glue is once again doing its thing, its own thing, which is gluing itself up. Okay, so we have to put glue on top of that. Put it off to the side. This goes like this. Together like that. Pretty much once you get it together and hold it for a few seconds, just put it down and it'll dry up. So let's go and put this together. I assume it goes like something like, let's see, it goes like that. Okay, so I'm going to put some glue in the center. Notorious glue strikes again. There we go. Strikes again. I'm standing it up, the glue. I don't know why it's doing that. That's the bottom. This is the midsection right here. So you want to put that on there like that. Okay. These are the feet. See the legs? That goes on the bottom. So let's put some glue in here. It seems to me that his legs are off to the side. I wonder why. His legs are off to the side. They're off to the side like that. Look at this. No, it doesn't go like that. It goes like that. Nature of the model. There we go. Huh. Just didn't have it right, guys. There we go. See? Like that. You could also paint these beforehand and put it together. I don't suggest it because if you get glue on your fingers and you get the glue on the paint, it just messes everything up, you know? So now we have to figure out, let's work on his face again and put his curly Q on top here. This is his curly Q right here. That goes in there, see, like that. And then we got two eyes here. Put them down like that. Got an eye here. So, put a little glue in his eye socket. Like that. Stick these in. If you lose these, you can make them out of green stuff putty. So that's just a little tip for you. I'm going to put his mouth in. Just put a little bit of glue in the center here. You know, just let it float in. Like that. Wipe the excess off. Okay. And then let's put his head down. Put his arms on. Like this. And one down here. Put a little glue there. That goes to the side like that. Okay. So let's set him off to the side to dry a little bit. And we've got the socks here. We got a little bit of material on these socks that we have to get rid of. Just some PLA flashing. Let's see if we put that right there. I need the cutters. Cut these off, cut this flashing off. It's from the supports, actually. Okay. And we got to figure out, let's see. That's the top of his leg, because that's like that. But, this is his sock. I don't know. It's got a sock area. I know that goes up in there. This doesn't really fit. Oh yeah, it does fit like that. Okay, so let's, oh wait a minute. We got this. Ah, I see. Okay, this is part of the shoes. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. Trying to figure this out. Doesn't come with instructions. Some of them do. I didn't print out the instructions. Let me look at this. Yeah, it's part of his pants, see? Okay. So let's put a little glue right in the center here. And the glue is acting up. Of course. Take this one and use this one. I'll show you a little trick with the clips there. Put a little glue in the center here like this. Right in the center. And then put this, line these up like this so the holes are symmetrical. so to speak. Drop some glue in there. Now, let's see. No, let's see, they don't go the other way. Like that. Like that. Okay, so they go in like that. Put the socks on. Put the curved part, the concave part, on top like that. Okay. See, there's a curved part here. Put it on top like that. Okay, like that. And then we're going to put the shoes on. So you're working upside down now. Okay. This is one shoe that goes like that. And this shoe goes like that. Okay. Take something flat and see if it's flat, yeah. Because you want to be able to make it stand up. So it's nice and flat. See, like that. Push it down a little bit. Turn him over, okay. I'm gonna put his head on. Put a dab of glue in there like that. And I'm gonna put his head on. We're losing his foot. There we go. There we go. So there's Charlie Brown all put together. I don't know, he doesn't have any eyebrows, so we're just gonna paint the eyebrows in. I'm gonna have to set him aside and let him dry. So let's set him aside over here. Charlie Brown's done. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you always. And I'm gonna show you a little trick now. Let me show you a quick trick. Okay, we got these clips here that we use to open up the glue. Keep it away, keep this away from the glue, but okay, I'm gonna do this. Watch, okay. And I just let the glue burn off that wire, and it will burn itself out. And put it on something metal like that. So that one's done. Let's do this one. Okay. Light up the glue. Let it burn away. There's a lot of glue on that. See? When it burns completely out, you know all the glue is burned off. That way you can get it back on the tube. Don't put it in the tube when it's hot. Okay? Do not do that. Okay? This is very flammable stuff. Okay, so what I do is I just lay it on, I'll stick it, there's a little hole here I can stick it in, and just let it cool down. Okay, now I'm done. Have a great day. God bless you. Please rate, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Bye for now.